Hi, my name is Alice and I work for the Sexual Health Improvement Service in East Sussex, and today I'm going to be showing you how to order your own home STI test kit. First, you want to grab your laptop, phone, tablet, whatever device you would normally use, and go to eastsussexsexualhealth.co.uk. Once you get to the website, you will see this page with a purple bar along the top. Along that purple bar, there's a tab that says Order a Home Test Kit. Click on that. For some people it may not work, it may not appear. But if that happens, don't worry. In the centre of the page there's a drop down menu, and if you click on that, the last option is I want to order a home STI test kit. Click on that and it will take you to the test kit website. Freetest.me is still an NHS website, and we work with Preventex to get these kits to you at home. Preventex are funded by our local NHS trust, which is why it may not be available in some areas. This is the name you will see on your test kit when you receive it at home. They're the people who create the kits. These are also the test kits we use when you come into our clinic. So in the middle of the screen you will see a white and orange box asking for your age and your postcode. The reason for this is because Freetest.me only serves certain regions. So once you've popped that in, click go and you'll be taken to this page. This page just confirms whether you can get a test in your area, and good news for me, because I live in the Wealdon region, I can get one. You will also be eligible if you live in the districts of Hastings, Eastbourne, Lewis and Rother. So a box comes up saying order a postal test kit with some information underneath about the postal test kit. Hit next. So once you hit next, you will come to this page, a few quick questions. It will ask you about your sexual preferences and also a little bit about your sexual history. This is just so that when your test result is obtained, you can be contacted with the appropriate information about what to do next. I've whizzed through this as you don't need to see all my information, but after answering all the questions, I click next. Click next, you'll land on this page. Which test do you want? A standard sexual health screen is on the left hand side of the screen, otherwise known as the 4-in-1 kit, and this will give you things to test for HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea and chlamydia. On the right hand side of the screen you have the option for a chlamydia and gonorrhea screen, which will give you the equipment to test yourself for chlamydia or gonorrhea. Select the one you want and hit next. You will now be asked for your contact details. This is so that you can A, receive your home test kit, and B, receive your results. It's really important you put down accurate information in the result notification preferences box, because this is how you will be reached to give you your results. This can be done via text, via email or via a telephone call, and you should get these results within a week of taking the test. The information you provide is all completely confidential. You can also select to have an emergency GB contact. This is just so that if you cannot be reached by your notification preference, your doctor can be contacted in case you need treatment. Once you've hit next, it will take you to a summary page where you can check all your details are correct. On the left hand side of the screen you can check those details, and on the right hand side of the screen there's a little bit of information about where the test is coming from, a research study which you can opt into. If you do opt into it, it just means you'll receive an invitation to take part in an anonymous survey. At this point it's your choice whether you continue with the research study or not. It's not vital, so don't worry too much if you don't want to take part. The most important one on this page is the agree and consent. You need to agree with the terms of use and privacy policy in order for the test to be sent to you. Once you've clicked this, hit finish, and that's it, you've ordered your test kit. Now this should be posted to you within a few working days, and we advise that you complete and return your test as soon as possible. On this page there's also an order code. Keep this safe just in case you need to contact us about your test kit. But other than that, you've ordered your test kit. To find out what to do once your test arrives, head to our chlamydia and gonorrhea screen or our 4-in-1 screen videos now.